Simplify the quantity 2a cubed b to the negative 1 all raised to the negative 4. When we have a product being raised to a power, we raise each of the individual factors to that power. So this would be equal to 2 raised to the negative 4, a cubed raised to the negative 4, and b to the negative 1 raised to the negative 4. So this would be equal to now, because of the negative power, this would be 1 over 2 raised to the positive 4. In this case, we would have a to the 3 to the negative 4. We multiply those powers together, a to the negative 12. Let's put in our multiplication signs. And here, b to the negative 1 raised to the negative 4. Once again, we multiply the powers, b to the positive 4. We can simplify the 2 to the 4th, that's 16. The a to the negative 12 we can rewrite using positive exponents, and that would put the a to the positive 12 into the denominator. The b to the 4th remains in the numerator, so our answer would be b to the 4th over 16a to the 12th.